Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making coconut drops. I'm paying homage to Miss Lizzy, a former vendor at Granville All-Age School in Trelawny. She fed many generations of children during break time. I'm using brown sugar, chopped coconut, water, and I've added some coconut water to that, chopped ginger, red food coloring, and salt. Because I live in rural Jamaica, I'm going to crack my coconut on a stone, but you can use any blunt instrument you may have. Once you have small pieces, then remove the flesh from the shell using a blunt knife. Once you've completed that, then it's time to cut them into small pieces. Cut each piece down vertically and then horizontally, and cut small pieces of coconut. Here I have 2 cups of chopped coconut, and to that I'm adding 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoons of ginger, and 4 cups of water. Then I will add the red food coloring, 2 teaspoons of that. I'm heating the mixture on a high flame. Continue heating that on a high flame until you get to a point where the water has been reduced. Then turn the flame down to medium low. Continue heating until you get a syrup. Then you have to check it periodically. Just look at it. It's still watery and not ready to be dropped. Continue heating that until the pieces of coconut begin to pull away from the sides of the saucepan, and now it's ready to be dropped. Take a spoon and drop the coconut pieces onto, in this case, banana leaf or a wet baking sheet, but you can also grease the baking sheet. There you have it, red coconut drops. Miss Lizzy understood the role of color when selling products to children, and she prepared very colorful products, and this is one of them, and I want to dedicate this video in her memory. She was truly a marketer. This video is created by Baillie. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.